Good book, Mom. A little adventurous, but a good book.
This is the coolest place I've ever stayed in.
3, 2, 1. Three, two, one.
I gotta hand it to Tanya. She did a great job booking this Vietnam leg because it has been gorgeous everywhere we've went. Don't tell her that. It's a rainy day here in Ninh Binh. Our first real day, and it's supposed to rain all day. Gonna try and do some homeschool, but it's still beautiful here. Absolutely gorgeous.
6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 8 is 48. Yes! 8 times 3 is 24.
Uh-huh.
28. 66. 27.
Wait a minute. Can you see through that?
No.
Yes, you can.
No, I can't.
See, 9 times 70 is 630. Now, where does that? Ought. Now, what sound does an N make? It's not. That's right, not. Mitt did not nap. He's a stinky kitty.
What is the great red spot on Jupiter?
A big storm that's been going around for billions of years.
Tell me something, a unique characteristic about Uranus.
Uranus spins like a barrel, and instead of the way that all the other planets spin.
Very good. How old?
Uranus is really gassy. Alright, Colin and I are going to take out this motorbike and see if it works.
It's actually pretty
I've
fun.
never ridden a motorbike before. Colin?
It's really cool.
Let me see. Yes.
How I look?
Awesome. Oh yeah.
Reno 911, baby.
Hey,
Ready to get on?
Watch on.
I think when that takes me on my land, maybe I should wear the princess helmet.
She spotted the little girl one.
Oh, hey!
My turn. I think we did pretty good. I'm gonna go next. We're gonna go fast.
fun?
Yeah.
Josie got on, she goes, we're going so fast! Right there. No, you don't hold on. Ready? You hold on.
Or
right
actually,
here.
she can probably put her feet right here
Okay.
to kind of brace herself.
Oh yeah, is that good? Yeah. Okay, you ready? Okay, here we go.
Because he wanted to go really fast and then it's really super fun.
How fast did you go?
Really fast.
Was it fun? Super fun?
Yes.
Was it scary?
Not, it wasn't that fast like in King's Island. Not that fast, no. Would have been fun.
Are you gonna go again?
Yes, after Emily. But I can go and they can have a ton.
You got your seat on there? Hold on.
I'm really good to go. Just watch out. I love you, Shane. Ethan. I love you.
Definitely the slowest motorcyclist on the road.
Don't get lost, you don't have your phone.
The one little road I went down had 100 freaking goats in the road. So I just slowed down.
I think Colin and I went down that road too.
Oh my gosh. I said, beep, 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 beep. One little goat moved. So I just like tiptoed past them all.
I gotta tell you, babe, you were flying. You were flying down the road.
People were getting out of the way when I came through. You know what I'm saying?
Every night, something really cool is you can opt in to eat with the family. It's like a family dinner. So anyone who's staying in this little homestay can pay a little bit of money and eat the family style meal. You get to eat a whole lot of food and you get to eat just like they're eating. So it's really cool. Take a look.
You want I turn on the fan? Off the fan. Yeah. Number one is turn the light. Drop it.
You grab your own drinks.
And dig in.